Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Today I'm gonna share with you my favorite nude lipsticks from High-End. I already did a drugstore version, so I think that might already be up. Actually put all the liquid lipsticks, lip glosses as well as the bullet lipsticks in one because it's of no use to make like 10 videos. So today's video is gonna be all about nude lipsticks from High-End. So if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmin. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews and these kind of videos. So if you come across, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. Please go and follow me there as well. I do different content there. So anyways guys, let's begin. Firstly, I'm going to quickly share with you all the liquid lipstick because I don't really have a lot of liquid lipsticks. So firstly, the liquid lipstick I am wearing, I have lip gloss on top, but these are my favorite lipsticks of all the time, and these two shades in particular is my favorite. So these are the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipsticks in the shade Bombshell and Jet Setter. These two are the shades. They look pretty same in the packaging. These are the mini sizes, but it's been almost a year and I still haven't finished those, so it's beautiful. I actually have the full size also. I haven't opened up because I really like it so much. So these are the two shades. The Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, they are really comfortable, very thin formula. They don't dry up your lips, and I don't like the lipstick which dry up my lips, and they are very thin formula. It doesn't really stay on your lips for a longer period of time because it is so thin, but even if you reapply it, it doesn't look crusty or it doesn't look bad. It is very comfortable. It dries up really quickly and very comfortable, and I really love these a lot. So I have the shade Jet Setter. This is more of a pinky color, but it is a really beautiful color. Seriously, very beautiful. And I have like full size of these two shades. And if you want to try out her liquid lipsticks, do buy the mini sizes. That's a good deal to try her lipsticks. And the other shade is Bombshell. This is what I have on my lips today. So you can see there is a huge difference between these two colors. This is more of a brownie one and this is more of a pink one, but I really love these two shades. They are really stunning. So this is what I am wearing. I am actually wearing the shade Bombshell and it is really amazing. So these are for like around $20 and here you get like for around 100 dirhams, but I think you should wait for Black Friday sale because she has like 50% off liquid lipsticks, so just wait. But these two specific colors are really my favorite because I don't really like the dark brownish kinds. I like these tones, so these two are my favorite. I really have mini sizes because I usually go for mini sizes in High-End version rather than buying the full size because I really don't know whether I would like the product, I would like the formula, so I go for the mini size. And this mini size from Ofra is tiny. Just look at the size. It's really tiny, but this shade I really love it a lot. This is the long lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Bel Air. You will see I have lipsticks with like similar tones, but these two look so similar, and these are also very comfortable. These also have very comfortable formula. They are very comfortable. They doesn't dry up your lips, and these two shades look very similar actually, and they are very comfortable, like moussey kinds. Not exactly moussey, but they are very comfortable. They don't dry up your lips, and I have like 4 of them, but this is one of my favorite. You can see I have like similar color but from different brands. Then next is the Flexi Slick from Ofra again. This is kind of lip gloss, but it has an opacity of a liquid lipstick. This was a confusing one, but they are very comfortable, and specifically I like this shade. This will also be very similar, but this is this is also a very comfortable formula. It doesn't really feel like a lip gloss, but it is kind of confusing one, but the shade is really pretty and it is very comfortable. It is a little bit thick formula, thick and moussey formula, but it doesn't dry up your lips at all, and this is really amazing. And you can find like your favorite nude shade from this range. It is really amazing. And like Ofra lipsticks, they have like tons of shades, really so many shades, and they are not very expensive also. So these lipsticks are really comfortable. So those are all for liquid lipsticks. I really don't have a ton of liquid lipsticks from High-End because I really don't buy that much. Now going on to bullet lipsticks, I have a couple of bullet lipsticks because like bullet lipsticks are comfortable, and I have like cream and matte formulas both. So firstly we have the Laura Mercier Rouge Silky Cream sticks, and this is in the shade New Prefer. I mean, this is how it looks, and it is a very comfortable creamy formula. I mean, you can see my color choices, they are very similar, like pinks and nudes, but these are very comfortable and they are actually very comfortable. But I think on Sephora Middle East website there is like just less than 10 shades, and they actually have like a lot of shades. So you can go in store and see whether they have all the shades. But I mean, if you find your perfect nude, I actually want to buy a proper this kind of a nude color from this range, but because it is really comfortable. And Laura Mercier is a good brand, seriously a good brand. You hardly have any bad product from them, but this is really comfortable, very silky, creamy, very comfortable. So we actually have that. Then again, going on to a bullet lipstick, this is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is their Hot Lips 2 in the shade Dance Floor Princess. This is how the packaging looks, and this is the shade. This is also like creamy formula, and honestly this is one of my favorite, and I mean it's very comfortable, not drying on your lips. I mean, you should know by now that I don't love the drying ones, but I mean they are expensive. Charlotte Tilbury is an expensive brand, and I mean I had thought a lot before buying these products from Charlotte Tilbury, but I mean I wanted these two colors in my collection, and specifically love this one a lot. And I mean the packaging is also really pretty. I love animal print. I wanted this in my collection, and it is really comfortable. I love this color a lot, and one of my favorites. Now going on to next brand, which is Natasha Denona nude lipsticks. So these are the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude lipstick, and the entire collection just has nude lipsticks, and I think they have like 20 shades or 25, but I mean there might be just 20, but I mean they just have nude shades: pinky nude, brownie nude, nudie nude, mauvey nude. But I mean these are really pretty, and these two shades are my favorite. I actually had got these two shades, and I love the formula so much that I got 2 more of those. And this is also in the range of like 100 dirhams, like I think $20 or $25. I got the shade Judith and Sava. One is more of a pinky color and one is more of a brownie tone. So this is the shade Sava, and I mean all my lipsticks look so similar. I mean, can you see the shade is pretty similar to what I already have on my hands. And this is the shade Judith. So this is a nice proper brownie nude color, but I don't prefer darker lipsticks than this brown color. This is the darkest that I like to go, not deeper than those. But these are also very comfortable lipsticks, and I mean this is a proper bullet lipstick. They are not mattifying, they look really amazing, and I mean you will find your perfect nude color from this range, because I mean the entire range is just nude shades. And there comes a point in everybody's life where you start liking nude lipsticks, and I mean you can't really have, I mean I have so many, but I just love them all, and I'm actually in that phase where I'm loving a good nude lipstick. So these are really amazing, and if you, I mean just grab one and go in store and see which color suits you and just buy that, because they are really amazing and very comfortable. So I mean I can have all, but I don't want to, because I mean I have so many liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, nude lipsticks, so I don't really want to buy all. But I mean I would love to have all, but they are really amazing and one of my favorites. And now going to the Huda Beauty Bullet Matte lipsticks. I mean these has to be in my, I mean she has amazing lipsticks, no doubt. I don't really love the lip glosses, the strobe ones, but the liquid matte bullet lipsticks and the demi matte, they are amazing. So these are the bullet matte lipsticks. I have like 7 or 8, but these 3 in general is my favorite. So we have the shade Rendez With, which is this shade. Then we have the shade Interview, and then we have the shade Anniversary. Anniversary is one of my favorite. First, going on to the shade Rendez With, it is a perfect pinky mauve nude shade. And I mean can you see all the pinks look very similar, and all the brownie nude shades look very similar. And then I have the shade Interview. This is a beautiful brown color, and this is the shade Anniversary, one of my favorite lipstick. I mean one of my favorite. They are really beautiful. And I really don't know whether you can see, but I mean they have some fuzzy texture, but they are matte lipstick and they are very comfortable. These are also like for around 100 dirhams, like for 20 or 25 dollars, but they are very comfortable. But these three are my favorite, and I mean they are really amazing, and you should try it yourself. And they are amazing, they are very comfortable. They are for 100 dirhams, 20-25 dollars. Really amazing formula, very comfortable on your lips, and they are very opaque, and in one swipe you will get a good opaque finish, so that's really good. So these are again one of my favorites. Now we are just left with lip glosses, and I just have few of those. So firstly, going on to the lip gloss that I'm actually wearing. So this is the Fenty Beauty, you know I would obviously add this. So this is the shade Fenty Glow. This is one of my favorite for brownie tones because this is a bit deeper for me. I mean you can see it is a bit deeper, but I mean I have all the shades, literally I have all the shades, and these are very comfortable. I would always buy this and have this in my collection because they are so good. They smell amazing. Once me and my hubby, we had actually gone for shopping, and I was sitting in one store, and I actually applied it on my lips. I was just sitting there and I was applying it, and after some time I was like, I can smell like there is something that is really amazing, that smells amazing, and it smells like vanilla. And I was thinking, what do I smell like? And it was actually this. I mean after like 15 minutes I realized that it was my lip gloss that was smelling so good. So they are really beautiful, and this shade is very beautiful. And even if you just want to pair it with a lip liner or without a lip liner, just on its own, it is a beautiful nudie color, and it is very comfortable, feels amazing. I mean I really don't know where else to swatch. So that is beautiful brownie nude color and very comfortable, doesn't stick on your lips, and it is very shiny. As you can see, it is so shiny. I really want to apply it a little bit more. I really love the eye look that I have created today. Really good. The Fenty Beauty one, this is the, I think this is the mini size, but I mean can you see the mini size is also so huge. And this is the Hourglass lip gloss Vanish. I'm not sure, but these are the new Hourglass lip gloss, and I have the shade Wild. I mean this smells like peppermint and plumps up your lip little bit, but this is a perfect nude lip gloss, and these are the opaque ones, and these are also really pretty. I really, and you can see the applicator is really different from the ones that we usually see, but they are really amazing, feels really good on your lips, smells amazing, and they have like a ton of shades. I want to buy, but I mean they are expensive. I would love to have like 2 or 3 shades more in these, but these are really comfortable and very beautiful. So if you want to invest in a luxury, or I mean it is expensive for a high-end brand also, but I mean these are really comfortable. So we actually have that. Then going on to Marc Jacob lip glosses. I love Marc Jacob lip glosses, but this is in the shade, I mean I really don't know what is the shade name, but I think the sugar is like the pink one, but I don't really know what is the name. I'll search and put it in the description below. But I mean it looks really amazing, and these are very comfortable. These also smell like peppermint, but not that strong, and you can see they are amazing. They have so many shades, and I would love to have all, but they are also expensive. So whenever there is discount on Marc Jacobs, I usually grab them because I mean I get it for a much cheaper price. So this is how the lip gloss looks, and I mean they are amazing. Now going to the last 2 lip glosses, which is the Dose of Colors, and these 2 are my favorite shades, Almond Butter and Made You Blush. These are lip glosses. So we actually have this, which is more of a pinky nude color, and then we have the shade Almond Butter, which is this brownie nude color. Both are actually one of my favorite, and I would really have it in my collection all the time. These are very comfortable. They are very opaque. You just need a lip liner just to outline your line, and just use that, and they are very juicy. They look very glossy on your lips, and they are beautiful. They are very comfortable, but these are really comfortable. They have like bunch of shades, but these 2 specifically I really love it a lot, and I would really want to buy a lot of shades from them, but they are very comfortable. So now that was actually the last lip gloss and last lipstick that I wanted to share. So yeah guys, these were all the nude lipsticks from High-End that I really wanted to share, and you can see I have so many lipsticks that are very similar to each other. I mean I actually have like this thing going on where I have like similar shades from other brands. So So we actually have that. I mean, my hand is full of nude lipsticks, but I mean that's okay, and I really love nude lipsticks a lot. So anyways guys, this was all for today's video, and do let me know and share in the comment section which is your nude lipstick, be it any texture or bullet lipstick, lip gloss, liquid lipstick. Please do let me know in the comments below. If you have anything new or anything different color from these brands, please do let me know in the comments below, so I can see it for myself and I can purchase it if I like it. So do let me know in the comments below. I hope you really like the video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.